How are you? I'm Kev, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create some quick UDIM tiles with the UV layout SOP using VEX. So I have a simple setup here of some lines copied to points on a grid, and I'm using a sweep SOP to give them thickness with the scale along curve ramp. I'm also computing the UVs here, however I'm not normalizing the UVs on either axis, and as such they appear to be quite large. Before the sweep, I created a primitive attribute based on the prim num of the lines so that it would carry through onto the sweep geometry. Then after the sweep, I made another attribute wrangle where we create our UDIM attribute. So first I typed in I@UDIM equals @prim. However, UDIMs start from 1001, so I just added 1001 to the @prim. Then if you go into the UV layout, toggle the target attribute under target assignment, which defaults to UDIM, and then go down to targets and choose pack into UDIMs, you'll see every one of our sweep shapes has its own UDIM. It doesn't matter how large the UVs are, the UV layout will scale everything into the UDIMs for us. Now, while that's set up, we can make edits to our UDIM attribute and see them update. If you simply divide the prim by a number, it'll define the overall amount of UDIMs you want by that number. Now we have 4 shapes per UDIM tile. You can also create a channel input, give it a name, and then click the Create Spare Parameters button, so you can see your UDIMs update interactively. You could also use random attributes. However, you'll have to multiply the result of the random function by the amount of tiles that you want. You could also add in a seed input, and an input for the amount of UDIM tiles. You can then visualize your UDIMs by setting the color as a random function using the UDIM as the seed value. And that's how you set up UDIMs using the UV layout SOP and VEX. Thanks for watching and have a good one.